Muscari, Grape Hyacinth. Today we're looking at a flower called Muscari, also known as Grape Hyacinth. It is given this name because the cluster of flowers resemble a bunch of grapes. Muscari are small spring bulbs that produce bright bluish purple flowers around April and May. They grow to a maximum height of 20 centimeters and spread to around 5 centimeters. You need to plant the bulbs in autumn to a depth of 10 centimeters in well-drained soil, in a location that will receive full sun, and they will bloom in early spring. Be aware that Muscari can spread easily though, and can be invasive, so clip off the dead flowers immediately to prevent spreading plants. So if you want some flowers to light up your spring garden with little effort, then choose Muscari.